What's the meaning of bonnet? Bonnet. Bonnet.
Bonnet. Bonnet. The word bonnet has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a hat, usually worn by women and children, which covers the head and sometimes the neck and shoulders. In the context of automobiles, it can also refer to the hood or engine cover at the front of a car. Additionally, bonnet can refer to a type of cover for a baby's head, or a type of fabric head covering worn by some religious groups. Overall, bonnet refers to a type of head covering or cover for an object.